Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting yourself. Put on cut-resistant gloves and eye protection because stainless edges are sharp. Next, stabilize the object so the tie won't spin. Hold it steady with one hand or clamp it. Once done, angle a slim rotary cutter or a cutting disc to the small gap on the head. You want to score through the band, not the surrounding material. Make a shallow initial cut to relieve tension because that prevents sudden snapback and makes the rest safer. You now focus on slicing the stainless band cleanly. If clearance is tight, use a Dremel with a thin cutting wheel. For exposed ties, a compact bolt cutter or small hacksaw works well. Make continuous, controlled strokes and let the tool do the work. Cutting too fast creates heat and can damage adjacent parts. Once you penetrate the band, continue toward the tail end until it opens. Make sure to keep a steady grip so the band doesn't recoil and nick anything. You finish by removing the cut sections and smoothing sharp edges with a small file. This prevents cuts and corrosion. If the head resists cutting, drill a small pilot hole in the center of the lock pawl. Drill slowly to avoid wandering, then split the pawl to free the band. If the tie is seized to a surface, apply penetrating oil and wait 10 to 15 minutes before attempting again, because lubricant reduces binding and makes cutting far easier without excessive force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.